guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've packed up my forget-me-not Hobo bee. It's just packed up for some after-school activities later. There's going to be no food or drinks because we usually get something to eat there, and the kids will hopefully carry their own water bottles. So I have put a seatbelt strap on it. This is a red one I have. It's not a perfect match, but it doesn't look too bad. This is a short one. I think this is the shortest one you can get, and this is from Natalie's seatbelt straps, or I think she's called Tickle Pink straps now. So I do have some of the swivel clips in the rose gold on here, so I'm just going to put this on my shoulder, so if anyone's curious as to how short this seatbelt strap actually is. So there it is on my shoulder. I find it very comfortable actually carrying it at this length. Sometimes if I've got the kids with me and we're going to be somewhere, and if we're somewhere busy, then I do prefer crossbody. But if it's just something simple like, you know, going to the mall or going to stores or after school activities, I prefer to carry the Hobo bee this way. Yeah, so there is that seatbelt strap. Now I do have a green one as well that I thought was going to look pretty good with this, and it does look okay. The only problem I have with this one, this is the really long seatbelt strap, and like I said, I really don't like using the long ones unless I want to wear it crossbody, just because I find it too fussy, I guess. I don't know, it's just too long. It feels too long for me. Just to be kind of grabbing in and out of the car and stuff. But like I said, if I was going out somewhere really busy for a day out, then I would probably use a longer strap. But I do like to put seatbelt straps on here just to break up the print. So anyway, I don't have anything in the back change pad pocket, but I'm really loving the print placement on it. It is so pretty. I love the red flowers, and I love this kind of green jade colour. It's so pretty. So anyway, in the side bottle pocket, all I have in here is a hand sanitizer. I didn't put anything in the cell phone pocket yet, but my phone will fit in there. In the front mummy pocket, I decided to put my medium set piece. This is a med kit. You guys have seen this before, just full of all kinds of stuff that I use quite often actually with 5 kids. And it's really pretty. I love the bee set in this. So all I have in here is some gum and these 2 mesh pockets. I have my bag clipper, a hair tie, I've got tissues, some feminine products, and just 2 lip balms. I've kind of downsized from the 4 or 5 that I was carrying in my bag. Nothing on the key fob, nothing in this back pocket, and over here I just have some wet ones, some indigestion tablets, a pen and a nail file. And I'll just give you a close-up look there of the inside. It is such a pretty print. Or the inside is a really nice lining. So going into the main part of the bag, this is how I have it packed up. And as you can see, it's nice and bright in there. You can see everything. So again, I don't have anything in that back pocket. This is not overly packed. Just for what we're doing today, I didn't need to take a whole load of stuff. So I do have a wide pouch with hand and face wipes. I have the small set piece, and that has charger stuff for my phone. In this front zipper pocket here, I have a little coin purse in Perky Perennials with cash and coins in there. Now unfortunately I didn't get a coin purse in Forget-Me-Not. I was kind of hoping that I would, but I'll just have to look out on the BST for one of those. And then I have a small set piece in whimsical watercolour, and this just has a few little toys to keep my daughter busy. And the peach in this whimsical watercolour is almost identical to the inside lining. I don't know if you can see that in there, but they're very similar colours. So it does, whimsical watercolour looks really pretty, I think, inside this bag. I mean, it's not a great match for the outside, but it doesn't look terrible, but it really does look pretty on the inside. And then I have my Black Petals Be Rich. I have the large set piece, and this has a wet bag, change clothes, underwear, that kind of stuff in there. And oh my gosh, I just love the bee set in this. The bee set is just so pretty. In fact, I think I love the bee set more than I do the Hobo bee. I mean, I love the Hobo bee, but I think this bee set, I really do love it a lot more. It's just so pretty. I just love the greens and the pinks, the reds. I think they just look great together. And for some reason it reminds me of like a wintry, autumny. I know it doesn't for a lot of people, it's more of a springy, summery, but these remind me of Christmas. I don't know why, but anyway, that's just my thoughts on that. And then I have just a little mini happy planner in here. I recently got this from Michael's just at the weekend there. They were on sale, 50% off. I've been wanting to try one for ages. I wanted to get the Forget-Me-Not one, but they're not available in Canada till October, November, I was told. So I'm going to see how I get on with this, and then I might get the Forget-Me-Not because I think they're for next year anyway. So yeah, I'm new to this, so I really don't know what I'm doing with a planner at all. So I need to look at some YouTube videos, but the ones I've seen so far, they're all very elaborate and fancy, and obviously they've been planning for years. So I need to find some, I guess, starter YouTube videos, I don't know. But so far I'm kind of liking it. Now when I bought it, I bought these little sticky notes too, not realizing this was actually for the next size up planner, so I had to cut it to be able to fit it in here. So I have started doing some stuff. I added these onto here because I wanted some like tabs so that I knew what week I was on. So as you see, I've done it here so I know where I am. And yeah, this is my messy planning because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing, but I just thought I'd give it a try, and I'm sure there's fancier things you can get to put there instead of a sticky note. And I did notice people had like blank pages that they would put in like at the end of every month or the beginning of every month, and they were like doing grocery lists and meal plans and all that kind of stuff, which I thought was a really good idea. And somebody also was doing on the blank pages, they were doing like Christmas lists for each of their kids, family members. So I think I'd like to do that. So I'm going to look out for some of those blank pages. So if you're in Canada and you know other places that you can get stuff for the Happy Planner, let me know, because the Michael's by me doesn't have a huge collection of it. So yeah, so anyway, I'm sure you don't want to hear about my planning because I have absolutely no idea what I'm doing. But if you guys know of any groups or something that have got any tips, or if you're just starting out with the whole Happy Planner thing, let me know, and maybe you've got some tips for me. Anyway, so there is the Hobo bee in the Forget-Me-Not, and it is really, really pretty. I do actually really like it, and I just love this green colour. I would love a bag in just this green. It's so pretty. I'll give you a close-up of that. I just love the green. So anyway, if you have any questions, please comment below, and thanks for watching.